children, welcome back to your online classes. As you know children, your half-yearly exams are coming. So you have to get up with your studies. And from now onwards, please be regular in your work. We will continue chapter number 4, exponents and powers, in which we will do exercise 4.2. I'll start with question number 9 because the previous questions you've already done. Question number 9 is you have to simplify this equation. Minus 1 upon 2 whole power 5 into 2 to the power 6 into 3 upon 4 to the power 3. As we know the law of exponents, it will become minus 1 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 5. Multiply by 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 3. Now, you know minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1 because 5 is an odd number, and if you multiply minus odd number of times, the answer will come in minus only. And 2 to the power 6 upon 2 to the power 5. If you apply the law of exponents, 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 5 will become 2 to the power 6 minus 5 into 3 to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 3. So this becomes minus 1 into 2 to the power 1 multiply by, now you have to simplify this. 3 to the power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 it becomes. And 4 to the power 3 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, which is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now see children, you can cut this. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So the answer becomes minus 1 into 27 is minus 27 upon 32. This is the answer because you cannot further simplify it. So this will be the answer. Now the second part of question number 9. Again you have to simplify. See children, this is the question. Minus 3 to upon 4 to the power 3 minus 5 upon 2 whole power 3. Bracket close, multiply by minus 2 upon 3 to the power 4. Again we have to do the same thing. Numerator means minus 3 to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 3. Minus 5 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 3. Bracket close into minus 2 to the power 4 upon 3 to the power 4. Now you have to solve this. Minus 3 to the power 3 means minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, which becomes minus 27 upon, and 4 to the power 3 is 64. Minus 5 to the power 3 is minus 125 upon 2 to the power 3 is 8. In bracket close, multiply by, now minus 2 to the power 4 is 16 and 3 to the power 4 is 81. So this becomes minus 27 upon 64, and minus multiply by minus becomes plus 125 upon 8. Whole bracket close into 16 upon 81. According to the Bodmer's rule, first we have to solve inside the bracket. So taking the LCM, 64 and 8, LCM is 64. So this becomes minus 27 plus 1000 because 8 is a 64, so 185 into 8 becomes 1000. Again bracket close, this becomes 16 upon 81. Now what is minus 27 plus 1000? You know minus plus is minus. So what is 1000 minus 27? 973 upon 64 multiplied by 16 upon 81. You can cut the 16 ones are 16, 16 fours are 64. Nothing else can be cut. So this becomes 973 upon, and what is 4 into 81? 320. So if you, this is improper, if you convert it to mixed fraction, it will become 3 whole number 1 upon 324, which is the answer. Now children, question number 10. Question number 10, first part. Again, 3 upon 2 to the power minus 1 divided by minus 2 upon 5 to the power minus 1. So if you have negative power, what will you do? You will take reciprocal of it. That means 2 upon 3 and it will be converted into positive power. Divided by, and what is reciprocal of minus 2 upon 5? 5 upon minus 2 to the power 1. Power has become positive. Now 2 to the power 2 upon 3 to the power 1 means 2 upon 3 only, divided by 5 upon minus 2. So this becomes 2 upon 3, and how do we divide the fractions? We convert divide into multiply and it becomes minus 2 upon 5 and we are taking reciprocal. So 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 and 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So this is the answer, minus 4 upon 15. Second part, children, minus 1 upon 4 to the power 2, bracket to the power minus 1 and whole bracket to the power minus 2. One by one we will open the brackets. See, first I will open this curly bracket. It becomes minus 1 upon 4 to the power, and when you open the bracket, these powers are multiplied. So 2 into minus 1 become minus 2. Whole bracket minus 2. Now finally I will open the square bracket. So it becomes minus 1 upon 4 to the power, and what is minus 2 multiplied by minus 2? To the power 4. So this becomes minus 1 to the power 4 upon 4 to the power 4. And if you multiply minus 1 even number of times, the answer is in plus. So it becomes 1. 1 upon, and 4 to the power 4 is 256. This is the answer. Now children, question number 11. 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 5 to the minus 2 minus 1 upon 6 to the minus 2. And this question is very easy because you have to just reciprocate it to bring the powers in positive. So this becomes 3 upon 1 to the power 2 plus 4 upon 1 to the power 2 plus 5 upon 1 to the power 2 minus 6 upon 1 to the power 2. So we can separate the powers. 3 square upon 1 square plus 4 square upon 1 square plus 5 square upon 1 square minus 6 square upon 1 square. Now what is 3 square? 3 3s are 9. 9 upon 1. So we can exclude, neglect this 1, plus 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 and minus 6 square is 36. So it becomes 14. 14 is the answer. Now question number 12. 108 multiplied by 192. We have to express in the exponential form. Children, this kind of question you have done earlier also. To write it in exponential form, we will find the prime factors like 108 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, then 2 27s are 54, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So how can you write an exponential form? 2 into 2 means 2 to the power 2. Multiply by, and 3 we are multiplying 3 times, so 3 to the power 3. Multiply by, now same way you find the prime factors of 192. 2 96 are, then 2 48 are, then 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6 are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are 3. So how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this becomes 2 to the power 6 into and 3 to the power 1. So we can combine this to same base and they are multiplied, so powers will be added. So 2 to the power 2 plus 6 is 8. Multiply by, and similarly the same base of 3. 3 to the power 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is the answer. Okay children, now question number 15. It is given that if 12 upon 13 to the power 4 multiplied by 13 upon 12 whole to the power minus 8 equals to 12 upon 13 to the power 2 x, you have to find the value of this x. So first you will solve this left hand side. See, 12 upon 13 to the power 4. Now you have to make the power positive, so you have to reciprocate it. So it will become 12 upon 13 whole power 8 equals to right hand side same way you will copy 12 upon 13 to the power 2x. Now we know the law of exponent base is same. Here 12 upon 13 is the same. So what happens to the powers? They are added. So this becomes 12 upon 13 and 4 plus 8 is 12. Whole power 12. This becomes 12 upon 13 whole power 2x. Now base same. So we can equate the powers. So that means 12 equals to 2x. Therefore x is equals to 12 upon 2 equals to 6. Okay children, now you will complete the whole exercise. Thank you so much.